Hi guys, my name is Joy Bergs and welcome at this video, which is part of a two-piece video on descriptive and inferential statistics. Within this first video, I will explain you more about descriptive statistics. So please make sure to watch this one first before you watch the one about inferential statistics. So within statistics, there are actually two different ways of analyzing our data. First of all, we have descriptive statistics. And with descriptive statistics, we try to organize, we try to summarize our data. And descriptive statistics are belonging to, you could guess it, to descriptive research questions. And these are also called central tendencies. Central tendencies mean that you try to take a look at a central value in your data in order to summarize your data, in order to organize your data and present it. So there are three different ways of looking at it. First of all, there's the mode. And the mode is the most frequent score in your data. Secondly, there's the median. The median is the middle value when you order all of your scores. And finally, there's the mean. And the mean is actually just the same as the average. So what you do is that you take the sum of all the scores, divide it by the amount of scores, by the number of scores. So probably by the amount of people in your sample. And you may remember all of this because you may have had this during high school as well, during mathematics. You had to calculate the average, the mode, and the median. Now let's take a look at an example. Imagine that you're part of a student association and you try to do research on the descriptive research question, how many beers do university students drink on average on a night out? Alright, I will give you some time to calculate this. We have questioned all the students that were there during the night and we asked them how many beers they drank. Now calculate for yourself what the mean is, what the median is, and what the mode is. Okay, so I fully trust that you actually did that. Now let's take a look at it together. If you want to calculate the mean, you take the sum of scores, the amount of beers of all the students that were present, and you divide it by the amount of students that were there in your sample. In this case, we see that the mean, the average amount of beers that the students drank, was 10.75, which is around 11 beers. Alright, secondly, if you want to take a look at the median, we first order all of the scores from low to the highest scores. And then you take the middle value. But in this case, we actually see that there's not really a middle. So what we do then is we take the two middle values and we take the average of that. In this case, you actually see that there's 2 times 10 and we take the average of that. So the average of 20 is 10. Then finally, if you want to take a look at the mode, you take the most frequent score. So what is the most frequent amount of beers that the student drank during the evening? And in this case, the mode is actually 10 as well. This was it for now. Within this video, I explained more about descriptive statistics. And we talked about the mean, the median, and the mode. Within the next vlog, I will tell you more about inferential statistics. So stay tuned.